instrument cluster light bulb replacement on a 1998 Jaguar XJR. I just thought I would do a quick video as my dashboard lights is no longer showing the supercharge, and on this side I'm not seeing any light either. So what I did is I just removed the first I removed this cover, then I remove the 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3, and 4 that were inside of this, and they're basically 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I removed them, and then after that I was able to remove the instrument cluster, and it's just a quick spin for this one. This one and this one, and I just replaced them. I went to the local parts store and actually got the bulbs to do the job, and I had these from an extra XJR cluster, but I just decided to remove these. It's pretty easy. You just pull it out carefully. You just pull the bulb out of the this very carefully, and I'm back on the road again. All right. Oh, and second thing, these things here tend to crack after a while, and so this piece kept falling off. What I did is I just went and put some silicone behind here and got it to hold it. This was a couple weeks ago, and it hasn't fallen since. So maybe it could help someone who may need it. Good luck.